Hello, this is Teresa from the Hartford Public Library, and this is a video talking about prime factorization. Prime factorization is important for learning to reduce fractions to their lowest terms. And in order to do prime factorization, the first thing we need to remember is what a prime number is. So a prime number is any number that can only be divided by itself or 1. This is as opposed to a composite number, which can be divided by other numbers besides just itself or 1. So examples of a prime number would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so forth. These are all numbers that can't be divided evenly by any number besides itself or 1. So when we are trying to do prime factorization, what we're trying to do is find all of the prime numbers that go into a number. So for example, let's say we are trying to find the prime factors of the number 12. What we want to do first is think about what small prime number goes into 12. So I usually like to start with 2 and see if 2 goes into that number evenly, and in this case it does. So if we divide 12 by 2, we get 2 and 6. 2 is already a prime number, so we can leave that there, and then we need to figure out what we can do with the 6 to divide it into prime numbers as well. The 6 also can be divided by 2, and then that leaves us with 3. So in this case, the prime factorization for 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. And I'm going to show you why this is important in a minute. Let's try a harder one though before we do that. Let's do the prime factorization of 147. This one isn't quite as obvious. So first I'm going to say, does it divide by 2? And that answer is no. We get 73.5 if we divide 147 by 2. So we know that 2 is not one of the prime factorizations of 147. However, 3 is. And if we divide 147 by 3, we get 3 and 49. So we can leave the 3 there. And then we're going to say what else can go into 49 that is a prime number. And in this case, we know that 7 times 7 is 49. So the prime factorization here is 3 times 7 times 7. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use prime factorization to find the lowest common denominator, or in other words, to reduce fractions to their lowest terms.